Alright folks, this is Dran from Dran's Poke Corner. We're going to open up some more gold boxes today. Just a few, just real quick. See if we get anything. I like this box because it's all gold cards, and I love to collect gold cards. But also, if you look at the cost of the box, at 1,137 gems, most of the cards in here are over that amount. There's only 3 cards in here that are below. Now, if you sum up the percent chance of hitting those 3 low cards, that gives us 62%. So, fairly decent odds of hitting something better. At 38% chance of hitting something better. So compare that to the alt art boxes I've opened. This one's a lot cheaper and gives us similar odds of getting something better. So we'll just try it out and see how it goes. And of course I'm going to get my old friend the leafy camo poncho again. Let's go again. Gonna hit all the low cards. But that's how it is. Ah, almost. Almost the golden double colorless energy. That would have been nice. Okay, gold Lugia. I'll take it. I think I got enough for 2 more rolls. Another leafy camo. Alright, last roll. Let's see how this goes. More leafy camo action. So I guess this is a good time to also demo how to sell cards. So if I go to my inventory here, oh, there's a lot of stuff in here. So you can see everything I got out of that. I only hit 1 card greater than the cost of that box. So I can select an individual card and sell it, like this leafy camo poncho here. Hit confirm, and it's added to my gem total. I can also, I don't have anything good in here that I want to keep, so I can go in here and say select all. It'll tell you how many gems you'll get from that. And select sell all and confirm it. So it's got me back up to 4,000 gems. So just a quick video today. If you feel like trying out box.gg, feel free to use my affiliate code DRAN Cards. That's DRAN Cards. It does help the channel out, and you get 5% bonus gems when you use it. Also note, this is a mystery box product, albeit better than those boxes you get from Walmart that I've never really gotten anything from. Please use this responsibly. Set a budget for yourself. And happy collecting, folks. Thanks for watching.